Hello and welcome to episode 6 of Prescott Valley Public Library's Uncovering the Treasures at Pvpl. It is a quick conversation just for you, getting you up to date with all of the new items and events and people right here at the local library. My name is Deborah Fingston and I'm the outreach coordinator here. Make sure you stay tuned and listen to the recommendation at the end. Let's get going. Today I'm going to let you know about something wonderful in our children's department. Are you looking for ways to prepare your little one for school, some structured way to get them ready? Well, right here we have bilingual storytime kits. Each kit has books, information, and a toy, just to help them get prepared. Some of the kits have musical instruments, finger puppets, movies. They're all structured and ready to rock and roll. There's 12 different kits, family, counting, things that go, just to name a few. And if you get the one that has finger puppets, those finger puppets were made by a crochet group right here in Prescott Valley Public Library. And let me tell you, they're awesome. Now on to this episode's recommendation. It's on August 12th. It's right here in Prescott Valley. It's Prescott Valley's Park and Rec and Prescott Valley Public Library's premier summer event, Fandomania. That's right, Fandomania. We will have comic cars out in the parking lot, Arizona game truck. We will have Batman, Arizona Ghostbusters, Arizona TARDIS. We will have Northern Arizona roller derby doing an exhibition game. There will be sword fighting and a cosplay contest. It is going to be a family-friendly, fun event, free. Woo! Say that 3 times fast. It is going to be amazing. Please come on out, and if you need more information, please go to our website, pvlib.net, hit Fandomania. Also, dress up, wear a costume, but make sure you know the costume policies. If you have any questions about anything, please call 928-759-3040 or go to pvlib.net. Thanks for watching.